Okay guys, welcome back to another chicken update. As you can see, it has snowed a ton. And they were in the coop all day yesterday because of how much it was snowing. I just let them out, pushed all the stuff to the side, or all the snow to the side. So they're doing good. But they didn't lay no eggs yesterday. So yeah, let's show you guys the meat chickens. Okay guys, so the chickens they stay in there. And now put them in here because how cold it is. There should be 6 of them. I gotta fill up the water and feed them again today. So yeah, see you guys in the next chicken update.